Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I am so excited to show you the winter Fabfitfun box. Now, I always say that when you subscribe to Fabfitfun, it feels like Christmas all year round because it's a seasonal box. So it comes out spring, summer, winter, fall. This one though really feels like the holiday season because it's winter, and here we are. We're like so close. We're at the finish line. So I'm so excited to show you. This is my customized box. Now, I've been a Fabfitfun partner for years now, and honestly, I can say this is the only box that does not ever disappoint me. In fact, it always impresses me. It feels like it gets better and better. It honestly feels like it gets bigger and bigger. Because look at this thing. I feel like they get bigger every time they show up at my door. But one of the reasons why it's so big is because you get full size beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and fitness products in your box. And you always get over $200 worth of stuff in here. So it always pays for itself. Oftentimes you'll get like one product, like in this box, I'll show you an example, but you'll get like one product that just pays for the box outright. And then everything else is basically like a bonus. So anyway, I'm going to show you my customized box. I love that you can customize and just pick whatever you want. That way you're not disappointed. A lot of the time, I'm like agonizing over what I chose and lying awake at night thinking, did I choose the right thing? I don't know. So anyway, these were my choices. I'm really excited to show you. So here we go. Opening up the box. It is packed with things. This was our first thing that we had to choose, and I go, okay, this is going to be the best box. So this is a robe. It's a plush, like velour robe from the brand Summer Rose. So this is the brand right here. I'll just show you. So cute. I mean, even the tag is cute. So it's got like a little bit of a hood on it. It's super, super plush. I love this color. It's like a teddy bear color. But this retails, are you ready? $70. $70. Already paid for the box. Already paid for the box. And there were a lot of other good options, but to me, this was like the one that I was just like, I have to have it. I have to. It's got the nice like little tie right here. Can you imagine just a cup of coffee or hot chocolate and you're just sitting online shopping, Christmas shopping, listening to Christmas music by the fire? I can't even imagine like a better day of my life, you know? So I'm just so excited. It's so soft. It's soft on the inside, soft on the outside, same material. Gorgeous. This is truly a $70 robe. It's so soft and it's really substantial. It's not like really thin or anything. So this is the first thing I got. I'm dying. I'm already dying. Next thing that I got. And to me, this was an obvious option, but there were a lot of other good choices you could have chosen. So this is the Impressions Vanity, which is, by the way, my favorite vanity company. I have two big mirrors from them. I have my main vanity mirror, and then I have like a smaller one that kind of looks like this, but this is their LED makeup mirror. It retails for $45, okay? $45. It's a high definition, distortion free makeup mirror, and it has a soft touch sensor dimmer switch, and it has two power options. So you have battery operated, and then you also have the USB option, which is like, I like USB personally, but I hate batteries. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay. Huge. When have you ever seen something like this in a subscription box before? Seriously, when? When? So anyway, I've already put the batteries in here. So this is the, guys, this is nice. Look at this. Okay, and then if you hold down the middle button, it dims a little bit. Did you see how it did that? So hold it down a little bit. It does it really like slightly, but I think it'll make a bigger difference at night when you don't want to be like, you know, the lights like, oh my God, strobe light. So this is amazing. This is super nice, high quality, and you could even travel with this too because it's very thin, it's lightweight, it's not like a big hunking thing or whatever. So this is super nice. I am so impressed by this one. Like I really, really am. So once again, that was one of your options. You had a lot of different ones if you already have a makeup mirror or whatever. So, but I have 3 makeup mirrors now, and with that one included, and I couldn't be happier. So, love that. So, the next thing that I chose was this gorgeous maroon velvet headband. So, this is the packaging it comes in. I just want to show you in case you know this brand or if you like this brand or whatever. So, this retails for $49, okay? Gorgeous color. I can't even get over this color. I just love velvet. It's so luxurious and like rich to me. And this is very on trend for like wintry stuff. So anyway, I like it too because I don't think this is like too huge. Let me kind of like fluff my hair up a little bit more. I feel like this is kind of clashing. I have like a lot of colors going on right now. I've got the pink glasses on. It's like, you know, it's a little bit much, but I thought it was really cute, especially for the holidays. It's like a Blair Waldorf moment, you know, and it's really, really comfortable too because it's just like covered in velvet. So it's not like, you know, pinching my head or anything like that. But I thought this was really adorable. I mean, I really did. I thought it would be kind of cute, like doing it kind of with your hair tied back and maybe doing like a braid or something. So anyway, that was another thing that I chose. Again, good options, but to me, that was just the one that I wanted. And another thing you can do too is like if you see something that you want to get for somebody else, it's like basically a free Christmas gift because you already got the robe and the makeup mirrors, which is what we all wanted. So everything else is a freebie, basically. It's a bonus. So next, I really wanted to try this one, and this is something that I was never going to spend my money on, so I'm glad to get it in here and try it this way. So this is the Tula Skincare. So this is what it looks like right here. This is the packaging. Gorgeous packaging. I see so many people talk about this online, and I just wanted to give it a go. So yeah, this is their Rose Glow and Get It Cooling Eye Balm. So this is the like what it looks like right here. It's supposed to be like a brightening eye balm. It retails for $30 and it's really, really cooling. I tried this on my hand earlier and I'm gonna not put this on because you can put it on over makeup. Technically it says you can, but what I'm gonna do, since I'm not wearing makeup ever, like during the day I don't wear makeup, so what I think I'll do is because my skin gets so dry in the winter, I'm just gonna swipe it under my eyes to kind of give myself a reboot or a refresh. And I think it'll give myself like a nice dewy glow, you know, on my skin. So I don't have any products like this in my like skincare arsenal yet. So I'm excited to try this out. I've been wanting to try this brand, like I said. So that's what I got. They had a lot of other good options though too. And they've got great brands. I mean, these are all brands that basically like you could buy at Anthropologie, which is my #1 favorite store on earth. This is like basically the Anthropologie of subscription boxes, which I could not give it higher praise than that, could I? So this next thing I want to show you is one of the reasons why I love Fabfitfun so much. And the reason being is because they give me kitchen products to choose from. So of course I had to choose these. So these are a set of 4 cutting boards. Now I already have cutting boards like this and they're the only ones that I use because they're really easy to clean, they're thin, they're easy to wash, and if you have a small apartment like me, it just doesn't take up a lot of space. But I love these to cut on because they're big too. And these retail for $19.95. So I thought these were like the most gorgeous little colors. They're so cute. And they also are labeled too if you do like food prep so you don't cross-contaminate. You can kind of see they're labeled in the corner right here. So I just thought these were really cute. I love getting kitchen stuff. They also, during this same box, you had an opportunity to get like Lily Pulitzer mugs and things like that. So it's up to you, man. The sky's the limit with this box. The sky is truly the limit. So next thing that I chose was this Below the Belt Croc card carrying case. So I thought this was so cute. I love the like color of it, first of all. It also has this nice like gold hardware on the back and a little zippy. This is cute. Like you just put your cards in there. Nobody really needs that much anymore. So like I never really carry cash around with me, but you technically could like in the middle part. There's like a middle section right here. But what I like is you can just move it from purse to purse, or like even the tiniest purse ever you can put it in. I love the color of this and I love Croc. It's like very on trend right now. Another thing too, if you see something like during the customization phase, for example, and you see it and you're like, oh, somebody else that I know would love that for Christmas or their birthday or whatever, it's a perfect time to get something for them. So like if you see somebody where this is like, it just screams them, what a great little gift. And like I said, it retails for $35. So it's pretty dang good. And it's really, really cute. And it's very, very practical and useful. So love that. And then finally, Fabfitfun always gives their subscribers like a couple things or a few things that you don't pick out, but they just kind of surprise you with them. And they're usually pretty good options too. Like they're just good brands and they're just useful and practical and things you maybe wouldn't even expect. So one of those things is from the brand Daily Concepts. It's a daily facial dry brush, and this retails for $20. Personally, I just want to use this as decoration, like in my bathroom, just having it sit out. And I feel like I would look like the most coolest hostess in the whole world if I had this sitting out. But it's a dry brush that you basically like use on your face every morning after you've cleansed it. You don't get it wet or anything like that, and you just kind of dry brush. I've never tried that before. Maybe I will, but honestly, I look at this and I go, I really just want to use that as decoration or something. It would be cute too if you put together like a cute like spa gift basket for somebody if they're going through a hard time or something like that. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. And then finally we got this Estetica liquid eyeliner in black. So here is like the unit carton right here, and then this retails for $21. And I love when they give us makeup stuff. It's just like fun stuff that you can try if you don't have a lot, or if you want to like experiment with makeup too, or if you just need to restock your old ones. But here's the packaging right here. This is the brush. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give this to someone as a gift for like Christmas or whatever. This is a perfect time. I mean, it came right in time for me. So I'm going to put together like a really cute like makeup gift basket for somebody using that. But a lot of time they give you stuff and you didn't even know that you would love it. And I found that with so many things in Fabfitfun, I'm just like, oh my gosh. Like for example, my last box I got like this body wash that smelled like pumpkin and vanilla. I've been using it all fall. It was the best. So anyway, that's everything that I got in my box. Could not have been a better box. Just some great things that I'm really going to use, and I know I will use them. So anyway, that's what I got. Would love to see what you guys got. I love to share with you guys and just unbox with you guys and see what you got. Me and my grandma are both long-time subscribers, so we love to exchange like what we got. And we just love it. We get the biggest kick out of it. And it's like the only thing I looked forward to in 2020 was, when am I going to get my Fabfitfun box? Hello. So yeah, if you guys want to sign up, there's a lot of great deals going on right now. Make sure you check them out. Now's the time to sign up, join the club, join the Fabfitfun club. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.